Join me as I dive into the world of lab-grown wood and see if I can build an entire piece of furniture using this revolutionary material. The world of furniture and construction is on the cusp of a revolution, and it's all thanks to lab-grown wood. Imagine a world where trees are no longer cut down to meet our needs for wood. A world where we can produce high-quality wood products without harming the environment. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's becoming a reality. Traditional wood sourcing has been a major contributor to deforestation, with millions of trees being cut down every year. This not only affects the environment, but also the animals that call these forests home. The impact on ecosystems is staggering, with many species facing extinction due to habitat loss. And let's not forget about the sustainability issues. With the global demand for wood on the rise, it's clear that we need to find a more sustainable solution. The problem is that traditional wood sourcing is not only harming the environment, but it's also becoming increasingly unsustainable. The demand for wood is high, but the supply is dwindling. This has led to a rise in illegal logging, which only exacerbates the problem. It's a vicious cycle that's harming our planet, and it's time we found a way out. So, what's the alternative? That's where lab-grown wood comes in. But how does it work, exactly? Lab-grown wood, also known as cultured wood, is made by taking plant cells and growing them in a controlled environment. This process allows for the production of high-quality wood products without the need for trees. And the best part? It's incredibly sustainable. Lab-grown wood has a number of benefits over conventional wood. For one, it's more sustainable. Because it's grown in a controlled environment, we can produce it without harming the environment. It's also stronger and more durable than traditional wood, making it perfect for furniture design and construction. And with its unique aesthetic, it's a game changer for designers and architects. One of the most exciting applications of lab-grown wood is in furniture design. Imagine being able to create beautiful, unique pieces of furniture without harming the environment. It's a designer's dream come true. And with lab-grown wood, it's becoming a reality. From chairs to tables, lab-grown wood is being used to create stunning pieces of furniture that are not only sustainable, but also incredibly beautiful. But lab-grown wood isn't just limited to furniture design. It's also being used in construction. Imagine being able to build entire buildings using lab-grown wood. It's a prospect that's both exciting and sustainable. And with companies already starting to use lab-grown wood in their construction projects, it's clear that this is a trend that's here to stay. In a recent breakthrough, a team of engineers successfully used lab-grown wood to build a functional bridge. This achievement marks a significant milestone in the development of lab-grown wood, showcasing its potential for large-scale applications. The bridge's strength and durability were put to the test, and the results were impressive. The use of lab-grown wood in construction projects like this one demonstrates its potential to revolutionize the way we build. With its sustainability, strength, and aesthetic appeal, lab-grown wood is poised to play a major role in shaping the future of construction. The benefits of lab-grown wood are clear, and its impact is already being felt. As we look to the future, it's exciting to think about the possibilities that lab-grown wood holds. From sustainable furniture to eco-friendly buildings, the potential is vast. So there you have it, the revolutionary world of lab-grown wood. It's an innovation that's set to change the face of furniture and construction, and it's happening now. With its sustainable production process, unique aesthetic, and incredible strength, lab-grown wood is the future. What do you think about lab-grown wood? Do you think it's the future of furniture and construction? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about sustainable materials, be sure to check out my next video on recycled plastic lumber.